Batty, batty, shot o'clock. Batty, batty, shot o'clock.
When I feel what I feel, sometimes it's hard to tell you so. You may not be in the mood to learn what you think you know. There are times when I find you wanna keep yourself from me. When out of the strength, I'm just a mirror of what I see. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. If you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know.
December mude and le special siyaphela. Yeah.
It's hard for me to understand. So many things have taken place before this love affair began. But if you feel more like I feel, confusion can give way to doubt. For there are times when I fall short of what I say, but I say I'm all about. You are love. You're a positive, motivating force within my life. Should you ever feel the need to wonder why, let me know. Let me know. Let me know.
Hey guys, so I look like a hot mess. I am at Ocean Baskets in the East Gate. I'm buying dinner for me and I'm so lit because I had edibles. On the previous video you'll see that I got like a lot of edibles and I had edibles, so I'm lit and I'm about to have a shot. I've Jägermeister in Savannah.
Ngaisha 7 days ngeviki.
Serious?
Yo, ngaisha 7 days ngeviki.
Yeah.
What's that?
It's a chicken salad.
From where?
81st Deli.
What's on it?
Superior. The shopping center.
When I was saying, Pela, totally. Assignment understood. Yo? Wow! Woo, good.
Thank you so much. All right.
Hey guys, welcome to my weekly vlog. So I am currently at H&M and I am fitting, basically looking for an outfit to go to be on Hub, and I really like this dress.
Let's go.
Mic check. Where's the man? I got chain.
like, you know what I learned today at Njalo is that even if, like, when you have your man's money, these motherfuckers don't even fucking approach you because they're so motherfucking intimidated. So you don't have to be like forced to do things because you're not drinking their money. You can do your own thing. So that's what I learned about Njalos, that these thugs don't like it when a girl is independent or is using their man's card because they want to control the other party. I was body shamed and I was ridiculed, and people only started talking to me and laughing with me when I took out my man's card and I paid for my own drinks. That's the only time they started respecting me. But other than that, they kept making fun of my body. Like, guys, yo, like, I just told myself that next time when I go out, if I'm not going out with my man or my so-called friends, I'm gonna go alone. Because when you go out with strangers, for them to respect you, you need to pay for your own bill. Anyway, guys, like, another thing that I'm really heartbroken about the Scroof and Guli event is that, like, I love Skidongo, bruh. I love Skidongo. I know it's a youth sound. I know that for sure, but I just feel like they should have been more transparent, because I went all out, guys, when I installation, when I face BET. Why Chalokhane? So I went all out only for like a street bash. Hi guys, a street bash. Kiliteng pula kamo. Hi guys. So you guys must just understand why I ended up going to Njalo's, because I was just so disappointed. Guys, so I am at Pick and Pay Liquor and I'm looking for Jameson Select Reserve for a cake. So I just don't know which one to buy. I'm just gonna go with the picture. So yeah.
All for you my whole life, baby. I've been waiting my whole life. Find someone like you. Find someone like you.
So guys, this is my biggest fear when I'm delivering cakes, that it's gonna fall or something. Like, my heart so stressed.
Flexing on my ex.
the way umuntu adawe ngakhona angikhona ukushoot content. Red Bull gives you wings. Oh, need to go for a refill.
Hold up, watch me go up, leave me so stuck. I'm back and I'm better, think me. One bitch on my level, ain't no question, I'm a legend, baby. Don't ever forget it. No, you see me rolling in this rose gold, so cold. Oh no, I can't fuck with lanes like you no more. Back up on a scene, out here acting foolish, like I'm 17. Ain't just falling nowhere, blow me gasoline. I just think you're no bitch, boosted my self-esteem. Back up on
I've been all in my phone, I got options. And I don't wanna tell you to drop it, but I don't wanna play your fair. Yeah, something that makes me look at you too often. But baby, you can give it something. Baby, I can run all the time. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still can check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I don't know what it is. I can't tell you what it is, but you got me going crazy. Just to do it so amazing. How long can you go, baby? At last to my body so crazy. Baby, I'm talking crazy. I need you running my space, but I need it, baby. I'm late, but I still check in with you. I know that I need my friends, but I wouldn't wanna leave. You know, I wouldn't wanna bleed. Even my heart, my mind, and my body. My mind, my mind, and my body. My body says my mind, my mind, and my heart. My body says I know, I know, I know you ain't gotta talk alright. I know you ain't gotta talk alright. Baby, I just wanna talk to you. Talk to you. Know this shit, know this shit, know what it is.
What's poppin'? I got options. I can pass that like stocking. Just joshing. I'ma spend this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins. Sports in the top 10. I can put the ball in the end zone, put a bet to the friend zone. This shit sound like an intro jet song. Give me that tempo. Ooh. Told cool, he a fool with the shit. Told her don't let her Vincenzo's. I like to call it a passion. I can be sitting relaxing. Peachy, we getting some traction. I'm at the views packing. I'm digging her accent. I got a beauty Simon Bell on me, and she tryna get it unfastened. That's my type of distraction. That's my type of she Latin. Got my own flow and I'm about to get a patent. Brand new sheets for the bed they set. Y'all wasn't tuned in back then. I swag they keep jacking. I ain't doing no verse, quit asking. What's poppin'? Brand new whip, just hopped in. I got options. I can pass that like Stockton. Just joshing. I'm spending this holiday locking. My body got rid of them toxins.